Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your body looks super boxy on Roblox. And that's because the game doesn't support, is it the R6 or R15 body type? So right now, what I have equipped is this body type. If I go to avatar, it's this one. I think this is R15 or R6. Oh my gosh, I have to like check because I'm supposed to know. And so if I go to, like, for instance, CNA simulator, if I go in this game, my body will look super bloxy because I have that body type on. And as you can see, hers is normal because she doesn't have the one I have. So I'm just going to leave the game real quick. To change that, go to avatar and just use the body that they have. Let me go to head and body here. Let's see, torsos. So select the like classic Roblox torsos here. Also, if you do select that, the clothings will be less expensive as well. So if you want to customize your character, it is better if you use that, and if you're on like a budget, because it is cheaper to get like the outfits and stuff like that. So I'm just going to, for instance, select this one. And if I go back to the game, my body won't be boxy anymore. Why did I say Bloxy? As you can see, it's normal. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.